It's about today.
My name is Vivek. I have attended today's seminar, and I had cleared my doubts with the support and resistance. How we can achieve the targets by taking means positions at the supports and levels instead of carry forward for the breakouts.
Okay, so you got to clear about the breakout,
Yes,
real breakout,
yes.
fake breakout.
Where I was made mistakes and making mistakes for breakout or breakdown. So at that point, I had now much more clarity why I had made a losses in that particular area.
So again, you will repeat or not?
No, I will not repeat.
Nice. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, this is Suchit Patel. I had a very good time with KISHORE and learned about fake candles, which is the most important thing. Normally, we left the trades because of the fake candles or maybe stop loss hitting. Normally, 70% of the breakout trades do not exist, right? I mean, they are actually fake. So, but we never used to trade it. So this time we learned something. I learned something.
So it is workable, right?
Absolutely.
So, how much you will utilize the fake candles?
Every candle now.
Now all the candles are
All the
fake.
candles are.
Nice.
I sell, so it's a wonderful thing for me.
So previously you used same trend also.
I normally sell at support and resistance. I don't think anything else. My zones are clearly mentioned in NIFTY. Any candle that I see, I just sell it. Simple as that.
Okay.
Aankhein band karke.
Blankly.
No, nothing. No, everything is on my Twitter. If you want to see.
Now it is clear.
Everything.
Which place we need to travel and entry.
Sometimes, some candles I used to leave the trend, but after looking at this, I got more clarity and confidence.
Nice.
So, it will help.
Thank you. And you, sir?
Hi, it's Tirumba. Before attending this lecture, I was totally relying on
Hindi also you can
indicators.
say. Nice.
Indicators. So, but today I just saw all these things and I purely confident on
Candles.
candlesticks.
So it will help you a lot. Huh? Okay. So do practice. That is most important thing.
Sure.
Thank you.
Hello, hi, Sumedh here. So I have already attended this session. I have my brush up session. So I got to know where I was missing, which points, which data points I was missing. So it was a brush up session for me, and it would be really helpful for me.
Nice. You, sir?
Actually, hi, this is Swapnil. Today's session of KISHORE is very eye-opening session for me because I learned every breakout is a fake breakout and how to
No, sir. Not every breakout. Most of the breakout.
most of the breakouts is a fake breakout.
But now you got to know how the breakout is identifying earlier before the momentum is started.
Momentum is start. So really, I got an insight of the price action and how to trade without indicators. I got to understand. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And you.
Hi, this is Nankumar here. And today's session is super helpful in terms of removing the noise. Like we used to trade using multiple indicators. So from today's onwards, I'm slowly going to remove all this from my trading strategy and completely working on the price movement and will work on that. And literally helpful that identifying the fake candles and the way we are working with the breakout strategies was completely different than what we teach.
Opposite.
Learn here. It's totally opposite. And definitely now our portfolio, the account will grow.
Super. Definitely you will gain more when you are practicing with the proper strategy. This one will help you a lot.
Yeah.
So do practice. That is most important.
That is interactive session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And you, sir?
Hello, I'm Nimish Patel. First of all, I'd like to thank KISHORE sir to let us have this opportunity. It has been a wonderful experience. I have been trading by following different YouTube channels. In that, a number of oscillators, indicators, all was written in this job. But sir has said everything simple. Just based on the patterns, the shapes, the fake candles importantly I got to know. So this is going to help me a lot. So I'm not that confident, but if I practice, I'm sure I'll make results. Thank you, sir.
Sure, without practice, nothing is possible. Definitely you can, sir.
Hi, my name is Deepak Agarwal. I love to attend this KISHORE sir second time. Previously, I was attended on a 2018. That time, I traded only 1 year, so I forgot to how to, because I was trying to cover that, but I was not able to get clear that things. So again, I joined. So I remember all the things. So let's practice and find out the new this all the things. And Kishore sir, thank you so much for helping us.
Sure, man. Do practice. Then
Sure,
only I
sir.
will get.
Sure,
I will help you a lot
Sure, sure,
by the
sir.
way of
Sure, sir.
gaining. Okay.
I'll
And
practice a lot, and even I'll post some things, whatever. Where actually I run a business, so I don't get that much time to do practice on it.
you
But
can do personal trading also. No?
yes. So whatever the time I'll get, I'll definitely post on my.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you very much.